So actually 100 volts here, my spark out is enough to light the indicator. So it puts out my two caps here, 50 volt and 50 volt, so they put out a difference between each way, 50 volts each way. So, anytime I tap this, gives the vacuum outlet in the coil, it resonates through the Tesla circuit. And it captures it. The wonderful thing about this is, look at this, battery out, it's still on. It just popped out because I grounded it out over here. This will stay lit because it's on a straight longitudinal connector in here going to the ground.